Come to the shooting mode. Shooting mode. Get it. Feel. Feel.
Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel From Chai to Cheerios. I'm Kruti.
This is Rahul.
So this week I think it's really important that we talk about this because it was horrible. We could not function, we could not speak.
But we are right in there and we are experiencing all those beautiful moments.
Yep. And
Right there.
I think when people used to talk about boundaries and exposure for kids and things like that, I used to think so much easier when you say it.
Yep.
But when you experience it firsthand, it's the worst thing ever. Mainly because A, you are suffering, and B, the kid is suffering too.